everyone. My name is Miss Tara. I'm here to show you some of our online resources. I know you're familiar with Brainfuse or Homework Help Online, and one of the things I want to show you with that is the Skillshare section of it. So you would go to the library homepage, and then you would check into Children's Services, and you scroll down and click on Homework Help here. And then this is free online tutoring, but you still click on this because this is what you want to click on. So here is Brainfuse Help Now, and you go into log in. I'm sure everybody, or I hope everybody, has now their Brainfuse account now. It's a free service with your library card number. So here we are on the front page of the library Help Now. So expert help, live tutoring, writing lab, and I hope that everybody's familiar with writing lab, because that is sometimes, as I tell people, the difference between an A and a B. If somebody reviews your paper and can correct the grammar or tell you a different way to say something, and it's all suggestions. It's not anything that you are required to accept. But that takes a little longer. It's usually not available immediately. They will try to go through it, but if they have more time, they can go through it longer. So I'm going to go over SkillSurfer today. And SkillSurfer is live skill building and a library of lessons, videos, tests, and more. So it is available to everybody with the library card. So you would scroll down here to Elementary School, New York, and you can view the lessons. And here is grade 4 math. So let's take a look at grade 4 math. And this is all set up for New York State students because they know that our students have Common Core. If you look at the page, it is all the topics in the subjects. All right, so here's grade 4 practice test. If you want to see where you stand, maybe you can take a quiz to see if you're really good. You could start with grade 4 practice test 1, and it brings you to this page with test introduction, and you just start the test by clicking this right here. All right, and you can just go through all the questions. All right, so you complete the questions and you just click on done. So then after you click on done, then it tells you thank you for completing the grade 4 math practice test, and you can review your answers right here. And it will take you through each single answer and give you the right answer, and you can compare what your answer was and decide whether or not you need to check in with a live tutor. Maybe if you don't do so well, then you can check in and go over the steps that will bring you to the correct answer with a live tutor. All right, everybody. So good luck, stay well, and I look forward to seeing everybody this summer. Thanks. Bye.